Welcome to this lesson on the circulatory system. The circulatory system is one of the most vital systems in your body, working every single second to keep you alive. It is responsible for transporting materials throughout your entire body. In this video, we will explore three main components: the heart, which acts as a powerful pump, blood vessels, which serve as the transportation routes, and blood itself, which carries essential substances. Together, these three components work in perfect harmony to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell while removing waste products. Let's begin our journey through this amazing transport network. The circulatory system is essentially a transport network that moves blood throughout your entire body. Think of it like a delivery service that never stops. Its primary job is delivering oxygen and nutrients to all your cells while simultaneously removing waste products like carbon dioxide. The system has three main parts working together. First, the heart acts as the pump that keeps blood moving. Second, blood vessels serve as the transport routes, like highways and roads throughout your body. Third, blood itself is the carrier that transports all the materials. Without this system functioning properly, your cells would not receive the oxygen and nutrients they need, and waste products would build up dangerously. The heart is an incredible muscular organ, roughly the size of your closed fist. It is located in your chest, positioned slightly to the left of center. The heart has a remarkable structure with four chambers that work together for efficient pumping. Its muscular walls are extremely strong because they need to contract and relax constantly. In fact, your heart beats approximately 100,000 times every single day without you even thinking about it. Each minute, it pumps about 5 liters of blood through your entire body. That is roughly equivalent to filling a large bottle every 60 seconds. The heart creates the pressure necessary to push blood through thousands of miles of blood vessels, reaching every part of your body from your head to your toes. The heart's four chambers are designed to work in pairs. Let's start with the right side. The right atrium is the upper chamber that receives deoxygenated blood that has already been used by your body tissues. This blood returns from all over your body and collects in this chamber. Below it, the right ventricle pumps this deoxygenated blood to your lungs where it can pick up fresh oxygen. Now, let's look at the left side. The left atrium receives freshly oxygenated blood returning from the lungs. Finally, the left ventricle, which is the most powerful chamber with the thickest muscular walls, pumps this oxygen-rich blood out to your entire body. The left ventricle needs to be so powerful because it must generate enough pressure to push blood through your entire body, not just to nearby lungs. Blood vessels form an extensive network of pathways throughout your body. There are three main types of blood vessels, each with a specific job. First, arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. These vessels have thick, elastic walls because they must handle the high pressure created by the heart's pumping action. Second, veins return oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. Veins have thinner walls than arteries and contain special valves that prevent blood from flowing backward, ensuring it always moves toward the heart. Third, capillaries are the tiniest vessels, connecting arteries and veins. Capillaries have walls that are only 1 cell thick, which is perfect for their job, allowing oxygen, nutrients, and waste products to pass between blood and body tissues. This is where the actual exchange of materials happens. Blood is not just a simple red liquid. It is actually made up of several different components. Plasma makes up about 55% of your blood volume. It is the liquid part that carries blood cells and dissolved substances like nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Red blood cells comprise about 45% of blood volume. These cells contain a special protein called hemoglobin that binds to oxygen, allowing blood to transport oxygen from your lungs to all your tissues. They also help remove carbon dioxide. White blood cells and platelets together make up less than 1% of blood volume, but they are extremely important. White blood cells are your body's defense system, protecting you from infections and diseases by attacking foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. Platelets are tiny cell fragments that help your blood clot at injury sites, stopping bleeding when you get a cut or scrape. Pulmonary circulation describes the path blood takes between your heart and lungs. This is a shorter loop compared to systemic circulation. The journey begins when the right ventricle contracts and pumps deoxygenated blood through vessels called pulmonary arteries. Interestingly, these are called arteries even though they carry deoxygenated blood, because arteries are defined as vessels carrying blood away from the heart. This blood travels to your lungs where something amazing happens. In the lungs, blood passes through tiny capillaries surrounding air sacs. Here, carbon dioxide diffuses out of the blood and oxygen diffuses in. The blood is now freshly oxygenated. This oxygen-rich blood then returns to the heart through pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. From there, it is ready to be pumped out to nourish your entire body. Systemic circulation is the longer loop that delivers oxygenated blood to your entire body and returns deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The powerful left ventricle contracts, forcing oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, which is the largest artery in your body. From the aorta, blood branches into smaller and smaller arteries, eventually reaching capillaries in all your body tissues. At the capillary level, oxygen and nutrients diffuse out of the blood into surrounding cells, while carbon dioxide and other waste products diffuse from cells into the blood. Now carrying waste products, this deoxygenated blood enters small veins that merge into larger veins. Eventually, blood returns to the heart through two large veins called the superior and inferior vena cava, emptying into the right atrium. The cycle then begins again with pulmonary circulation. Blood transports many different substances throughout your body. Materials delivered to cells include oxygen, which is absolutely essential for cellular respiration, the process cells use to produce energy. Blood also delivers nutrients absorbed from the food you eat, such as glucose, amino acids, and fats. Additionally, blood carries hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate various body functions. On the flip side, blood removes waste products from cells. Carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, is transported to your lungs where you exhale it. Other metabolic wastes are carried to your kidneys, which filter them out and eliminate them in urine. Blood also helps distribute excess heat generated by working muscles and organs, carrying it to your skin where it can be released to keep your body temperature stable. Let's review the key concepts about the circulatory system. The heart is a powerful muscular pump with 4 chambers that keeps blood circulating continuously throughout your life. Blood vessels form an extensive network where arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins return it, and capillaries enable the exchange of materials between blood and tissues. Blood itself transports oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to cells while removing waste products like carbon dioxide. 2 circulation loops work together seamlessly. Pulmonary circulation moves blood between the heart and lungs for oxygenation, while systemic circulation delivers oxygenated blood to body tissues and returns deoxygenated blood to the heart. Your circulatory system works nonstop, every second of every day, to keep every single cell in your body alive and functioning. It truly is one of the most remarkable systems in the human body.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.